Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on Amazon Bedrock AgentCore. So this lecture will contain all these topics. What is Amazon Bedrock AgentCore? Services in Amazon Bedrock AgentCore. Agent framework supported. Foundational model supported. Should you switch from Bedrock agents to AgentCore? Getting started with Amazon Bedrock AgentCore and how Amazon Bedrock AgentCore runtime works. So first topic is, what is Amazon Bedrock AgentCore? Amazon Bedrock AgentCore allows you to deploy and run highly effective AI agents securely, no matter how large your operation grows. It helps developers move AI agents into production much faster, providing the scale, reliability, and security that are critical for real-world use. The service gives you specific tools and capabilities designed to make your agents smarter, more effective, and more capable. It includes infrastructure that is purpose-built to help you scale your agents securely, along with controls to make sure they operate trustworthily. You don't have to choose between flexibility and security. AgentCore services are composable and work with any model and popular open source frameworks, giving you the best of both worlds. Services in Amazon Bedrock AgentCore. So there are 7 services in the Amazon Bedrock AgentCore, and they are modular services that facilitate the creation and management of AI agents capable of functioning independently or together. So the first service is AgentCore Runtime, which is a secure serverless environment designed to deploy and scale dynamic AI agents using various open source frameworks, handling infrastructure and security overhead. Second service is AgentCore Identity. And AgentCore Identity streamlines authentication by integrating with existing identity providers and using a secure token vault to manage permission delegation and resource access. Third service is AgentCore Memory, and this simplifies the creation of context-aware agents by providing managed infrastructure for both short-term conversational memory and shared long-term memory. Fourth service is AgentCore Code Interpreter, which enables agents to securely execute code within isolated sandbox environments, supporting complex data analysis and enterprise security requirements. Fifth service is AgentCore Browser, and it offers a scalable, cloud-based browser runtime that allows agents to interact securely with websites without requiring infrastructure management. Sixth service is AgentCore Gateway, and this facilitates the discovery and conversion of APIs, Lambda functions, and services into agent-compatible tools, significantly reducing development time. And the seventh service is AgentCore Observability, which provides unified dashboards and telemetry tools to trace, debug, and monitor agent performance and behavior in production environments. Next topic is agent framework supported. So the agent frameworks which are supported are Crew AI, LangGraph, Llama Index, Google ADK, OpenAI Agents SDK, and Stance Agents. Foundational models supported are Amazon Bedrock, OpenAI, Google Gemini, Anthropic Claude, Amazon Nova, Meta's Llama, and Mistral. Should you switch from Bedrock agents to AgentCore? So AgentCore is a newer feature, and before we have Bedrock agents, so should you switch? So that depends, so I'll cover that. So current users of Amazon Bedrock agents can continue their existing workflows, but may consider switching to AgentCore for enhanced agentic platform capabilities. So AgentCore is a newer feature which offers all the features. AgentCore offers extensive flexibility by supporting any open source framework that we talked about, such as Strands, LangChain, Crew AI, and any foundational models, regardless of whether it is hosted within Amazon Bedrock. The platform provides enterprise-grade features, including Model Context Protocol (MCP) for standardized tool access, VCP connectivity for secure networking, and agent-to-agent communication. AgentCore utilizes a suite of modular infrastructure services, including runtime, memory, gateway, identity, observability, and specialized tools like browser and code interpreter to manage agent lifecycles. These services work collectively to facilitate the transition of AI agents from prototype to production, ensuring the necessary scale, reliability, and security for real-world deployments. So, getting started with Amazon Bedrock AgentCore. So, the first step will be there will be some prerequisites for setup, including AWS CLI, or later you need Python 3.10 or newer and AgentCore starter toolkit. Developers can create an agent by writing a Python script that utilizes the Bedrock AgentCore app, and that configures memory session managers, and it integrates with code interpreter tool. The AgentCore configure command automates environment setup, including the creation of IAM execution roles, ECR repositories, and memory configuration. So I'll just talk about the important commands and that we should be aware about when we configure the AgentCore and how to get started. The AgentCore launch command deploys the agent to a secure runtime environment, automatically provisioning resources and enabling CloudWatch transaction search. AgentCore memory supports both short-term context for immediate interaction and long-term memory for cross-session persistence, which typically takes 10 to 30 seconds to extract. The code interpreter allows agents to securely execute Python code within a sandbox to perform tasks such as complex data analysis and visualization. Integrated observability features provide end-to-end visibility through Amazon CloudWatch, offering request traces, service maps, and detailed logging for debugging. Users can manage the agent's lifecycle using AgentCore status to check deployment details and AgentCore destroy to remove all created resources and infrastructure. Troubleshooting steps address common issues such as version conflicts with the toolkit, AWS region inconsistencies, and missing dependencies for tracing features. Next topic is how Amazon Bedrock AgentCore runtime works. So AgentCore runtime is the main service. So we'll see how it works. Amazon Bedrock AgentCore runtime is a serverless containerized environment that manages the infrastructure, scaling, and security isolation for AI agents built on frameworks like LangGraph, Crew AI, and Strands. The service utilizes an immutable versioning system where every configuration update creates a new snapshot, ensuring reliable deployment history and rollback capabilities. Agents are accessed via endpoints, which provide stable, addressable URLs that can be updated without downtime to reference different runtime versions for development or production. User interactions occur within isolated sessions that run in dedicated micro VMs, preserving context for up to 8 hours while terminating automatically after 15 minutes of inactivity. Security is offered through inbound authentication using AWS IAM or OAuth 2.0 for user access and outbound authentication for securely connecting agents to third-party services. The runtime supports versatile communication protocols including HTTP, Model Context Protocol (MCP), and Agent-to-Agent Protocol (A2A), along with features for streaming responses and asynchronous processing. Deployment follows a container-based workflow where developers package code into a Docker image and push them to Amazon ECR and manage execution via unique session IDs to track conversation context. And that's all. Thanks for watching.